Hey everybody, it's Amy Radquist Cadet, health coach with UK Health and Wellness, and as luck would have it, certified aromatherapist. So today we are going to be creating a sleep spray using just a few simple ingredients to really help you put together some building blocks for your sleep hygiene. And what we know is that when people have good foundations for sleep, they not only feel better, their brains work better, and it really adds to your overall sense of well-being. So what we'll do is we'll put together this recipe so you don't have to memorize it right now, and we'll have a link to a helpful sleep study done at the University of Minnesota that uses lavender as well as sleep hygiene to really help their students fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. So today, here's how it's gonna work. What you need are just 4 simple ingredients. Number 1, 1.5 ounces of distilled water. We've already got that right here, ready to go. Secondly, we'll need a half teaspoon of witch hazel. Can be any witch hazel that you've got at home. The witch hazel is just helpful for making sure that a stable shelf life is good for this sleep spray. Third, you are gonna need some essential oils. There's a lot of essential oils on the market. I like a lot of different oils. We'll link to a few brands. We don't have any that I would say are better necessarily than others. doTERRA's a great oil. I really like this one from Eden's Garden. They do third-party testing, which is really nice. Rocky Mountain oils are also awesome. So we'll link to that in the post below. So today what we're gonna do is use 18 drops of lavender. Its official name is Lavandula angustifolia. So when you're looking for lavender, you're gonna wanna make sure that's the type that you've got. And we're just gonna do 18 drops. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, awesome. We're gonna stir it around. And this recipe is for a 2-ounce bottle. The bottle I've got in front of me, to be quite frank, isn't the most ideal. What you're gonna want anytime that you're using recipes with essential oils, you're gonna want a dark bottle, like an amber bottle or a cobalt blue, but you know, you gotta work with what you got. And so today, what I've got is a clear bottle. The nice thing about making small batches is that you use it quickly. So as long as you keep your oils in a dark location, you're gonna be all right. All right, so we've got the sleep spray here. Just want to make sure that before you use it, you're always going to give it a little shake. So I love to use this sleep spray on my bedding. It's great on sheets, it's great on pajamas, it's great on your pillowcase. It's also really great with helping your kiddos go to sleep, to really help their bodies and minds really prepare to sleep. So for them, it's great to put on their pajamas, their bedding, or maybe a stuffed animal that they take with them. So no matter how you use it, I hope it's helpful. So go ahead, comment in this video below, give us a thumbs up if you like it and would like to see more, and reach out to any of us at UK Health and Wellness and let us know how we can best support your overall well-being. Until then, be well, take good care, and sweet dreams. Bye-bye.